Welcome back to Shemsuniverse. So today, guys, we're going to discuss Fadic number 5 according to Chaldean numerology. So with the Fadic number 5, this is a life path number, of course. This is a very, very good luck number to have, especially for a life path number. It goes across the board from Western to Eastern. 5 always is good. It's in the middle from numbers 1 to 9. So it gets along with everybody. It doesn't have any real enemy numbers. Its only enemy it's considered is Moon, and even the Moon doesn't even have any animosity with the 5. So that's what you get there. So in regards to number 5, it is governed by Mercury, as we know from other videos, fastest moving planet in our solar system. And this planet does give these natives a very, very fast and acute mind that's able to pick apart problems, keep, for the most part, very happy in life, and have a very positive attitude in regards to just their perspectives in general. The main drawback with the Fadic number 5 is that it does have a very impulsive sort of nature. So if you have a life path of 5, your spirit is just genuinely very impulsive, meaning it can lead to things such as gambling, doing things that are excessive, such as like racing, and just for the worst part of it, addictions, whether that be through like just food, alcohol, drugs, etc. That's the only drawback with it, is that you guys can tend to really, really intensely go into things and be high strung by them. This is due to the fact that your mind is working very, very quickly at all times. So, like, if your 5 is concentrated on a project or their work, etc., they'll end up really focusing on it to the point of anxiety, and then that anxiety makes them induce other things to kind of mitigate the anxiety. And sometimes that's through food and different things like that, like drugs, etc. But you can also use it, that high energy, and just work out, do yoga, do meditation. All of these things will actually just completely cure that problem, and you guys won't have any issues going forward if you actually just utilize what you already know and actually have a healthy lifestyle. That pretty much gets it done for 5. The only other recommendation I have for 5 is that you stay disciplined. Come up with a certain routine that you do a day, whether that be like a morning ritual where you get up, have a nice cold shower, work out, have breakfast, keep track of your daily habits such as your eating and making sure you're mitigating bad habits such as like smoking and different things like that. And you guys will be very, very good and very happy. For business wise, for Life Path 5s, you guys are very, very good for anything to do with traveling. You guys can work for companies or be entrepreneurs. The main thing with the 5 is that you guys definitely are non-conformists. So I'd recommend really choosing a career that's not very normal in a sense. Like if you're going to choose a career, like it'd be something I'd recommend, like a pilot, a journalist, somebody that's really going out there and getting in the field and actually seeing what's going on live. Things like office jobs or corporate jobs may not be the best for you guys just because it's hard for you guys to stick with one singular thing. You guys are very, very good luck with speculative businesses such as stocks and trading as well, and anything to do with entrepreneurship, like opening an e-commerce site or opening your own business. All of these things will be very beneficial to you guys because you have that sort of mind that can adapt to things quite quickly and then also absorb knowledge very quickly. You have a very smart mind. Usually just having 1-5 in your chart, anywhere in your chart, gives you the capability of being a genius. So if you have it as a life path, that's the most heaviest number in your chart. So you most likely are a genius in something. It's just more about you finding out what that given subject is and then monetizing it for your betterment. Aside from that, 5 is such an easy number for me to do readings on just because it is very, very good luck. You guys don't really hold yourself in the victim mentality for too long, and it's really good just for life in general. You guys are able to adapt to things. You guys have that air sort of magnetism to you that makes you be able to get along with others in the perfect sequence and also handle your business in a good sequence because people view you as somebody that they want to be around. So that magnetism is very, very important. The only magnetism that compares to it's probably the number 6, but number 5 is definitely higher energy and more devoted to their work and getting things done and so forth, especially at a fast pace. As long as you're able to slow your mind down, remain disciplined, mitigate bad habits, you pretty much have a clear track as a number 5. The careers that I've recommended are just one of a few, or I should say one of many, excuse me. You guys can really just do whatever you'd like just because 5 is the most versatile number. So you guys also could do corporate and office jobs, but I just recommend making sure it does entertain your mind and you're not doing something just to be content. Actually go for your ambitions. You're more than likely going to get it. Last note I've also read about with Chaldean numerology is that number 5s actually have the most billionaires in this world. So definitely look into that. and just make sure that you are capitalizing on all your skills. Aside from that, that should conclude the summary of Fadic number 5, guys. If you guys do have any questions whatsoever, just please let me know in the comments. Aside from that, guys, please like, subscribe, holla at me. That's it for today, guys. Peace.